Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect chocolate raspberry cupcakes that are moist and full of flavour and make a decadent sweet treat. And I've got the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions, everything you need to make this indulgent dessert. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So let me show you how to make them. Roughly chop 100 grams, that's 3.5 ounces of your chocolate of choice. I've gone for dark, but you could use any chocolate you'd like. Set the chocolate aside and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, that's 350 Fahrenheit, so it'll be nice and hot when you're ready to bake your cupcakes. Chop up 125 grams, 4.4 ounces of butter and get it on the stovetop to melt. Once the butter's almost completely melted, we'll add in the chocolate to melt as well. So there, the butter's almost pretty much melted, so we've added in the chocolate and we'll just mix it through, and as soon as it's all melted, take it off the heat. There you go, pretty much all melted. We'll take it off the heat now. So the chocolate and butter have melted together. I've taken it off the heat, and now we're really going to add all the ingredients right here into the saucepan one at a time. Starting with our raspberry. I'm using raspberry jam, a whole 300 gram jar of raspberry jam going in there for a beautiful raspberry flavor. And just mix that in. It's perfect. And then for sweetness, now we have added the raspberry jam, which I find to be quite sweet. I'm just going to go for another ½ cup of sugar. You can add more than that if you prefer a sweet treat, but we like ours a little darker, so add a very shallow ½ cup of sugar in there, pinch of salt, and 2 eggs. And we're just going to mix that through till it's all well combined. There you go, feel that's nice and lovely and smooth. And finally the flour. I've got a heaped cup of flour I'm going to add over there. And give the mixture a final gentle mix through to incorporate that flour. Once you're happy with your cupcake batter, it's time to pop it into the cupcake tin. So I've got a 12-hole cupcake tin lined with cupcake liners, and now we're gonna fill the cupcake liners with our chocolate raspberry mixture, going for, start with a tablespoon in each one and then distribute it out evenly. And the cupcake tin is now full of our liners with that lovely cupcake batter, chocolate raspberry cupcake batter. Now pop it into the oven, which again is preheated to 180 degrees, 350 Fahrenheit, for about 25 or so minutes until you've got lovely golden cupcakes that are cooked through and done to your liking. The chocolate raspberry cupcakes are out of the oven. They've risen up nicely and they smell pretty incredible. Now you just got to be a little bit patient, let them cool down till they're room temperature before moving from the tin, and then smothering with your frosting, icing or ganache of your choice, which I'll show you next. Now that the cupcakes have cooled to room temperature, I've removed them from the tin and popped them onto a plate. And now I'm going to show you how to make chocolate ganache to go on top. But as I said, you can make icing, you can make frosting, you can top them anyhow you like. Roughly chop up 100 grams, 3.5 ounces of chocolate. I've used dark chocolate as my chocolate of choice, but you could use milk or you could even use white chocolate if you want to make a white chocolate ganache instead. And to the chocolate, we're going to add 1/3 cup of cream. So I've got it on the stovetop over medium heat, and just give it a good stir along. Keep a close watch. This isn't something you can just set and forget. Keep a close watch and let that chocolate melt, and as soon as it all comes to a bubble, remove it from the heat. once the chocolate has all melted, take it off the heat, allow it to cool to room temperature, and then you can pop it on top of your cupcakes. I've moved my ganache into a bowl, and just a little troubleshooting for you. If it does separate, add a little bit of cream. I found mine to be a little bit lumpy, so I added a bit of cream. I think I was busy filming and not concentrating on how it was actually cooking, so that was completely my fault. So if it does happen that yours separates a bit, you can whisk it a bit, take it off the heat, add a little bit of cream, a little bit more cream to it, and you'll see it's nice and glossy now, and it's pretty much cool to room temperature. So I'm just going to top each cupcake with about a teaspoon or so of my ganache. So I've got the ganache over here, I've got a teaspoon, and it's really just a matter of grabbing one of the cupcakes, popping a teaspoon of ganache on top, and then just smoothing it down as best as you can. You can let it cool completely, pop it in the fridge and use a piping bag, but I quite just like making it nice and glossy like this. There you go. And then just repeat it for all the other cupcakes. And the cupcakes are very roughly covered quite generously in the chocolate ganache. There was plenty to go around, and there's even more. You can pop it in the fridge if you've got leftover ganache and roll little truffles out of them. It is up to you. But now I'm just going to top each cupcake with a perfect little raspberry. And there you go, they're done, topped with a perfect raspberry each, and they make such an incredible, indulgent dessert that was really easy to make, as you saw. And here is a closer look at one of those chocolate raspberry cupcakes topped with a fresh raspberry, really generous with the chocolate ganache. And inside it is so light and fluffy and moist. It's just an incredible chocolate cupcake, which I hope you will enjoy. So that is the video for today for how to make chocolate raspberry cupcakes. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too. Let me know if you give these a try and what you think of them. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.